Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the old porch. Today, it is getting tore down, and over the weekend, a new one built. It's leaning, and it really it needs it. So, while we're out here, take you and see what we have going on out here in the garden. Oh, look how big those tomatoes are getting. These are big boy tomatoes. So I have tomatoes. I need to add some more dirt to my jalapeno. Since the rain has kind of made the dirt settle, this one's actually pretty good. These are my cucumbers. As I look and see, I got some bugs, but no cucumbers yet. My cantaloupe bed is kind of overgrown with weeds, but it's attaching itself to my fence. Another jalapeno. Yeah, I need to mow my grass. My okra is just going beautifully. Oh, I'm starting to get little bell peppers to bloom. That's dead. This is more cucumbers. Now the other day my brother was out, and I had checked this just a couple days prior, and he come out here and he found a cucumber. It's been so wet, even still the ground is wet from all the rain. Yeah, the bugs are getting my strawberries. Or birds. I probably shouldn't have put them underneath this tree. Birds love to sit in it. Anyways. Okay, so as I almost fall in the hole, one last look at my porch. The next you will see, it will be gone. Porch is down. Now time to clean up. I don't know how all that trash got up. That must have been there before we got here. Now to clean that up and rebuild. Trash picked up. Now to start building. I've got the frame up. Time to get the braces. And then the top. Coming along. We almost got done with the supports, or halfway done with the supports. Okay, so the porch is coming along. We have a little spot there to do yet. And He's working on the stairs. And then the railing. So we're pretty much done. Just about.
Just put a deal around it.
Yeah. And then the goal is to put a ceiling roof over it. Someday, not right away. And screen it in.
That's the bad thing about that. They ain't quite on that. Need to be never.
It's tall enough by the time you put the roof over.
Shut the door.
Okay. Having to wait till we can get a little bit more cash to finish this part and the railings. The porch is done. And I can hop on it and it not move. So nice. Now we just gotta clean up the yard after everyone was out here working yesterday and Friday. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.